Are you struggling with improving and actually achieving what you want to achieve? Meanwhile, you're still putting in the hard work and effort. I used to be like that too. I used to work every goddamn day, and I was trying really hard to achieve my goals. But I didn't got so much progress, and so I stopped. And then after some time I was like, why did I stop? I gotta try again, I gotta work harder, and then I worked harder. And I was repeating this cycle over and over again. Until at one point I realized, why was I not making significant progress? Because every single time I got onto what I was trying to achieve, I had the exact same way of doing it. I didn't change a single thing. So for example, if you were going to gym and you were training for, I don't know, 2 hours, and you were doing very hard work and everything, and you never counted your calories, you didn't even count your reps, you just put all the effort, all the energy, just fuck up every fucking day, and you went there every single day, and you were like, why am I not getting progress? And then you stopped for a week because it was hard, and then you were like, you know what, I'm going back on this, and then you did it again, and yet you still got no progress. Why? Because you didn't analyze and you didn't improve. So every single time when you're not making the progress you want to be making, or let me say it this way, every single goddamn time, no matter what the fuck you do, even if you're successful, you should look back and analyze what you were doing. Analyze whatever the fuck you did. Analyze what was good and what was bad. And realize why something was good and why something was bad. And whatever the fuck was bad and you didn't do the way you should or you could to get better results, you have to improve that. And next time you're doing whatever you're doing, you're gonna try and at least be a bit better in that specific area that you know you gotta improve. So if you gotta improve something, please try to be a bit better. You don't have to force yourself to, I don't know, be the best, like, right? I mean, you could, but if you're not at that level yet, you could try and have a bit more slow and easy way of adding it to your routine and to your work. So whatever the fuck you're doing, analyze your past experience. Even if you're playing a chess, you played a chess and you won, and you played a chess and you lost. You lost a chess match. You go back and analyze. Why did I lose? Why did I make this move? 3 moves earlier I could have made this and this and this, and then maybe he would make that, and I could like outplay him this way. I wasn't thinking clear enough. I should think better next time. I should get in his brain, etc. You just found it out. Now the next match you go, you have that mindset, you have that add-on, and you improve this way. But let's say the match you won, you feel like, oh yeah, I won, I don't need to analyze and improve. No, you still have to. Still go through the match. Because you're not perfect. No one is perfect. Go through the match. Look at the times where you made something that you could have made better. And the next time you go in a match, make that better. Because here we're not trying to be a bit better than average. You're trying to be the best. And then you're trying to be even better than that. Exactly what I'm saying. I'm not trying to be the best. I'm trying to be even better than that. And that's exactly what you gotta try too. You're gonna achieve it if you're gonna put smart hard work in. Not just hard, but as well smart. So be smart, put the hard work in. Stay wise, my brother, and remember, embrace the pain. Ciao.